Alright, so something a little bit different tonight. I have a Kwikset SmartKey Padlock here, and I have, let's see what, 4 different Kwikset keys, none of which work in this guy. And I wanted to send this out to somebody that's been wanting to try and pick one of these Kwikset Smart Keys. And I thought I'd like to send a key with it, like I do with most of the locks. I try and always send a key with the locks I send out. But I can't find the keys for this one, so I figured I'd go ahead and make a video out of it. Go ahead and try and pick this guy, and then send it to one of the other keys afterwards. So I'll just be doing top of the keyway tension with the 50 thousandths pry bar here. And I'm just going to start at the back and work my way front. Try and get all those finger pins lined up so that sidebar can set for us. So when you see that plug rotate back counterclockwise, it's not because I'm getting feedback or counter rotation, it's because I am using my pick a little bit to rotate the plug back, or I'm using the tension wrench to do it. You don't get normal feedback on these like you would if you were picking something with a spool or whatnot. Reset that guy. Man, this thing's putting up a good fight tonight. Okay, I think we're close. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. Whew, goodness gracious. All right. So typically, you would use a reset tool, push it in that little hole there, pull the key out, put the new key in, and lock it back up. Well, I don't have the key in there, I don't have a tool, but good old broken pick does the trick. So we're going to pretend there's a key in there, push that in, okay, and how could I not select the guitar? Rock and roll! So we're going to go ahead and put that in there. lock it back up, and now this one should open it. And there we go. So now this guy is ready to send out to someone. All right, there you go. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.